This story begins on a warm sunny day in Waterloo, London. Before I start with anything, let me introduce you to my dad, also known as Douglas Fernandez, also known as Legend. He will accompany me on a 5-day trip to Portugal. The main purpose of us going to Portugal is to attend a wedding of our family friends, Joaquim and Ana. So here is the Portugal story.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Okay, so this is the Airbnb we're staying in, and holy shit, it's amazing.
If only you peek through half of my battles, caught in your shadow, sunshine, where you go.
Okay, so it's currently 7 in Portugal, and we're gonna go get something to eat.
You'll be waiting for me. I'll see morning.
So now we're gonna meet a few family friends, spend some time together, and get dinner with them. Mama, do you want to say anything?
Yes, good. How are you? I'm missing you both. I wish we were in Portugal. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Love you.
My side, where you go, I know too much. You'll be waiting for me. I'll see only.
Morning, honey. Call me, okay? Ponte el teléfono listo por la... Ok. Quiero mucho. Échale ganas. Felicito.
Where are we headed? We're headed to the wedding.